thing that's going to be turning your YouTube views into actual paying clients has nothing to do with some content hack that will get you like 1 million followers overnight. And as much as I would like to sit here and tell you that, that's just not the reality. The reality is that to grow a YouTube channel that actually converts viewers into paying clients, you actually need some fundamentals that most of the coaches that we talk to don't have. But before we dive into it, let me introduce myself, because you may be wondering. So my name is Juan Arteaga. I have a content agency where we help entrepreneurs build a personal brand through YouTube and basically turn their YouTube into a content sales machine. And in this video, I'm gonna take you through some fundamentals plus every piece of advice that I know. So at the end of this video, you can turn your YouTube channel into a client acquisition machine. And here's the plan: content ideation, script writing, recording strategy, editing approach, and conversion system. Alright, so here's the plan for this video. I'm going to break down 5 key areas that will turn your YouTube content into actual clients. And by the end, you'll have everything to stop creating content for views, but content that actually gets you paid. Let's jump in. Okay, let's start with content ideation. Here you need to understand that you don't have to be special to create content. Because what most creators get wrong is that they think they have to come up with some new idea, something revolutionary. They spend weeks just thinking about the unique idea that's gonna work, while the competitors are getting all the views and all the results. Look at what's performing well in your niche right now. Find videos that have good engagement and just take the same concept and do it yourself. Make it your own. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Just take what's working and put yourself in there. Just put your own touch of yourself. And there you go. You stop wasting time on reinventing the wheel and start creating content that actually works, because it already worked. And how to make this change? Go find 10 videos in your niche that have performed well in the last 90 days. Write down the core concepts, then ask yourself, how can you take this concept and make it yours? Don't copy, you have to personalize. If you copy, there's nothing personal to your personal brand. You have to make it personal. Okay, now second, script writing. And here what most creators get wrong is that they try to appeal to everyone, so they appeal to no one finally. Or they also explain basic concepts that the audience already knows. Before even writing a script, you have to know what your audience already knows. And if you're targeting coaches who want to scale their business, don't make a video about like, what is coaching? They already know what coaching is. Make a video about why your coaching services are not scaling past 10K a month. Same niche, but completely different awareness levels. And right away, your content feels immediately more relevant to your audience, because they're gonna feel, oh, this guy actually knows what am I feeling, what am I living. The key thing about this is that you have to put yourself in the shoes of your audience. And that's where you're gonna understand what's in their mind. Okay, now for the third one is recording strategy. And here what most creators get wrong is that they either wing the video and lose their audience after like 30 seconds, or they actually write the script word for word from A to Z, the hook, the body, everything. So they sound robotic. But here's the balance. Script word for word your intro and your outro, because that's the most important part of the videos, because there's a call to action and all the social proof in there. But for the main content, there's bullet points and a clear structure. Let your personality and your experience guide the video. This way you stay on track, but don't sound robotic. And with that, you keep people hooked from the start, give them value to the video, the main content, the body, and at the end, you close them with call to action. Okay, now let's move on to the editing strategy. And here what most creators get wrong is that they think they need huge editing, a lot of cuts and everything, and some other creators think that they don't need editing, they just need straight up just their self and a camera. But there's a between, depends on who you're talking to. They want clear and minimal editing, so just simple, because they're here for the value, they're here for the knowledge you have and the information you're gonna give to them. So they're not here for entertainment. But if you're targeting young entrepreneurs or creators, they expect more dynamic editing because that's what they used to watch. Look at what your target audience is watching and just match the same vibe, match the same energy. So now your audience like your editing and they feel represented, so they're gonna watch longer and they're gonna watch more of your content. And here again, you have to go see the videos that are well performing and see what's the editing. Why are they well performing? Is the same editing as I have? If not, match the vibe. Okay, and for last is content to client conversion system. And here again, what most creators get wrong is that they create videos for followers, for likes, and for views, but they don't create videos to actually build systems that bring the people towards working with them. Every video needs a clear next step for people that want to go deeper. It's not just enough to create value and hope that people are going to show up to you and reach out to you. You need to guide them through a specific journey from viewer to potential client. There has to be a system that moves people forward. And with that, you're gonna turn your YouTube channel into a sales machine basically. And for that, you really have to map out every step that your viewer has to take to become your client. Okay, so that's everything I have on how to turn YouTube content into actual clients. There's a lot here, but I'm sure if you just start and do at least one of those things, you're gonna see huge results. So thanks for watching, and I hope you got a lot of value from this video. And if you're interested for more YouTube tips, go watch the other videos in my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.